So one way tayo. And it means we're going na. This is part of Waikato River. But it's the Arapuni Dam. Kay Awamoto, it's 35 kilometers. This way. Full stop. Give way din to. Okay. Kaya pala nandito yung river trail, Dad. South Waikato area. Itong favorite naming part ng Ensit. Bukod sa South ha. Eh syempre di pa kami nakakarating sa South. Pero maraming magagandang pwedeng puntahan sa South. Kaya lang kailangan ng maraming budget. Pero dito sa North, etong Waikato District ang paborito namin so far. Kasi si Daddy ay galing Tequity, where legends are made. Bumpanis.
Everybody's with me, aren't they? There's nowhere to park.
We are here in the Lavender farm. The owner is very kind because they are at the end season, so he will show us where. The flowers are still purple, so we can take beautiful photos.
We've got we have two areas. Where are they? They're coming through. So we have two areas to photograph. Okay, this one here you can still see is still in purple, and you can use the ladders to take your photos.
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't mind the bees, you can walk into the lavenders and get your photos taken, okay, through there. And whoever's taking the photo can go up on the ladder and take a nice high shot. And then, do you want to just pop up and I'll show you the second place you photograph? Is up here.
Anak, bumaba ka dyan. It's not... Halika, anak, bumaba ka dyan.
Yes, yes, it's a farm.
You're very kind to offer it for everyone for free, eh?
That's all good. And then you've got these here and these here, and then the lavender down the bottom to get your long shots done. Yeah, so you can walk through these rows and then have your photos taken with that behind.
Oh, right.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
And then when you've done, we'll see you later. You can visit our shop and have a look at our products.
Yes, yes,
Thank you very
definitely.
much.
Thank you. See, he's very kind to show us where you can take beautiful photographs. So, asan na anak mo? Oh, see? That's the bees. So, siguro, they have products pa like,
You can go there first.
like honey. We will go to the shop later and we will buy lavender oil if they have, because
actually sleep for 1 hour.
yeah, anak, would you like to go here na? Si Neo, in-overcome yung fear niya with bees. Hi Daddy, it's not Tonyo's nagpapapicture siya with the ang ganda ng mga butterflies.
Okay, Neo.
Ang bango, actually dito pa lang maaamoy mo na siya. Amoy na, amoy mo na. Ha? Titignan natin kung magkano. Yung farm nila. Yung iba na harvest na. And we will buy the oil. Come on, Dad. Let's go to their shop. Ayan ka na naman yung shop mo na gano'n, ano? Ang bango. Alam mo yung very therapeutic.
Yung patalikod ko ay mga...
Yung... Dad, tignan mo, raspberry pala ito eh, oh. Don't touch, Nanak. Don't touch.
Kanina, I kind of touched it when I was walking past it.
Maganda magkaroon ng farm, ano? And this is their house na. Asan yung shop? Is this the shop?
I think the shop is...
Dadala mo yung pera, yung wallet mo?
Can we buy something?
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
Oh, this apple.
I kind of have a bee sting in my leg. I feel like...
Hi!
Welcome. Sorry, we'll be able to do anything.
Takes a bit.
It's okay. Because there's four types that we grow of lavender. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. You've got your French and your all sorts of
Neo naman, sinabi nung wag magbubukas eh.
applications. So
The oil, Dad.
really sport for choice. Yeah.
We'll put this one sa drawer. Sabi ng mga lola, lalagay daw yan sa ano nila.
Saan?
Sa damit. Para bumangon ano natin. Lalagyan natin. Magkano yung honey nila? So, kumuha ka ng dalawa nito. Isa sa cabinet ni Neo, isa sa atin.
It's clever because so when it runs out eventually, put your own fragrance oil in. Yeah. And,
So we got honey, and this one is good if to put inside the clothes with the clothes cabinet.
yes,
Yeah.
it is.
And we also buy the lavender oil, 100% for Daddy. Body butter, shower gel. Very relaxing in here. Yeah, I know. You're lucky.
Up in the morning.
There you go. Thank you. So, just a couple of things about these. They will last for 2 to 3 years. Okay.
Oh.
You keep squeezing them to emit more smell because the oil's trapped inside the flower.
Okay, so
If
keep
it suddenly
squeezing
doesn't
it.
smell, squeeze it, it'll smell again. When you finish using them for whatever period of time, you have no more use, you eat them.
You eat them?
Yeah, they're edible. They're extremely healthy.
Oh,
Good
wow.
for your organs, your bones,
Yeah.
your skin, your hair. Put that in for you there. And they can go into loose leaf tea, green or
Yeah, the leaf.
yeah. And if you Google lavender recipes, there are all sorts of things like bread, cakes, scones, biscuits, ice cream,
Wait, you have
cheese,
biscuits?
and lots of other things
No, you can put it
that you can
there.
use it for. So don't throw them away.
Yeah.
They're very healthy to put into your bits when you cook.
Thank you. Very informative. Thanks. You wanna try it again? It's enough, anak. It's for others to try. You have one here. Thank you. Yep, we bought one. Thank you. Smells good. Yeah, na-harvest na nila yan, anak. They already... Oh? No. They also have aloe vera. Then how much did you pay? That's good because you have the honey. It's organic.
Neo.
I like it. It's a nice one. It's a nice one, Dad. And you only pay 53. That's nice. And you have the essential oil, which is very expensive sa labas. So you keep the oil in your bag. So every time, or you can put it in the morning, Dad, before going to work. It's the oil.
Is that their house?
Are they open all year round? Huh? The shop? I think so. Yeah. I asked permission naman. They said, di ba? Yeah.
Hey, Mom, go wash your
They
hands.
allowed us to film. Yeah, you wash your hands. It's very nice smell. I like it. So kung malapit kayo dito, visit the area. The owner is really kind. Wow. This is the one that I want you to plant, Dad. Kasi naglalabas siya ng smell. Pero sabi ni Grandma, It needs lots of sunshine. Sa hindi mo siya maipaplant dun sa may shade.
Paano ipaplant to kaya?
Ay, ano yan? Para ma-release yung smell, Dad, i-rub mo yung hands mo. No, you don't do that. Don't do that.
Yan.
Rub your hands. Yep, and then smell your hands. Don't do that to others na. Isa lang. That's how it is. Ang nagturo sa akin is yung mga lola. Kasi we have a lavender dun sa gilid ng ano namin, kung saan kami nagbi-village walk. They have essential oil distillery. We are in Te Awa Moto Nio, and we are in a lavender. I'm so happy with this one, especially with especially with the one that you put inside the cabinet ba, na may mga yung mga beads, and it's very informative. Neon, where dito tayo magpi-picture tayo dun sa front. Like this. Nice. Ang bango. Alam mo yun, gusto kong ipatanim yan kay Daddy eh. Kaya lang, wala kaming magandang spot. I really love it. They see Alpha Lavenders. Open daily 10 a.m. to 5. Kain ng lunch, and Neo was asking if we brought lunch. No, we did not. So, look at the view. We have the view, and then we will eat lunch here. Ang lunch namin ay tinapay naman. Hindi ako nagbaon ng rice. Walang rice. Amin prepare ni Dad. It's the riblets. And yung gulay namin doon, kamatis. Happy eating!
There's two, that farm
Yeah,
thing.
that farm is theirs. So kanina nag-harvest na sila ng iba. Ang bango. Pakita daw na stand si Nia. Oh, sige, go. Daddy daw, tignan mo daw siya.